In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on a Bosu ball how to do a dynamic plank variation. So we're going to be putting together here two exercises and making one hybrid exercise. The two exercises are mountain climbers with your knees going across the body with a high plank position. We're going to be working shoulder stability and strength, as well as core, lower back and hip strength in the exercise. The faster you do it, the more of a high intensity or cardiovascular benefit you're going to get as well. So firstly, you'll notice here, I've got the plastic side of the Bosu ball facing up and the inflated side of the Bosu ball is in contact with the floor. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring your hands into a position where they're on the outside of the Bosu ball. So you can see that on the camera, I've got my fingers wrapped around each side here of the Bosu ball. I want to make sure I apply a little bit of pressure before I start. So I've got that pressure on the Bosu ball. From here, I'm going to try and bring my shoulders just over the top of my wrists. And then I'm going to extend one leg back, get my stability, and then bring the next leg back. So from here, in a position where I've got my shoulders over or just beyond the position of my wrists, I'm now going to bring my knee across the body, trying to stabilize that Bosu ball, making sure I don't go too far side to side. And I'm going to repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. What you'll probably notice is, as you get tired, you'll start to come into this position. So keep those hips nice and low. Try and really stabilize through your shoulders as you bring the knees side to side. And of course, to make it harder, what you can do is you can start to increase that speed. So as opposed to nice and slow, bringing one knee to the opposite elbow, you're going to start speeding that up for a cardiovascular or high intensity benefit. That's how you do a dynamic plank on one of these Bosu balls. You repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.